Righto, so I'm out in Crookwell, and it's a really cool sort of car show where they have trucks, cars, bikes, and this beautiful truck's taken my attention because, first of all, it's a Ford, but mate, it's absolutely stunning. So you want to just tell me a little bit about how this come about?
Well, it started off as just a tidy up when I first got it, and then 5 years ago my wife passed away, so I ended up doing a complete thing on it as a dedication to her.
Oh, righto, so that's where the
Nell May.
Nell May comes from?
Yeah.
Well mate, I'm sure she'd be looking down very pleased because it's absolutely stunning. And I always am taken back by the amount of work you people put in to make them this bigger rig, this shiny, and to keep them this way. It's bloody credit to you. So mate, what is it? Tell me exactly what, it's a Ford.
It's a 1987 Ford LTL.
So we'll get the bonnet up in a minute, or down, or whatever you call on a truck. So these were used for what primarily? Because obviously, you know, we see all
a bit of everything, prime movers, and well, mainly prime movers.
So what sort of condition was it in when you got it?
Very rusty.
Yeah. So what, the cabin stuff?
Yeah, it's all been.
So then how much is new? So obviously guards and stuff like that all look new, or is that repeat?
Well, yeah, the mud guards are new, the back parts new, the stainless work's new. But apart from that, everything else is second hand on it, you know, like second hand but fully restored.
Yep.
All new nuts and bolts from ground up on it. You know,
so you're using it for a bit of work, or is it just as a...
No, just a show truck.
Show truck, yeah, cool. I just overheard you saying that you haven't sort of dragged anything with it yet to see how it's going to go?
No, well, I'm in the process of restoring a 1978 low loader for it.
Oh, righto.
So it'll be all painted up the same colour.
Just finish the deal off?
Yeah.
You want to open the door up? We might see if I can climb my way up there and get the camera in there.
Sure.
So how many sort of miles would this have on it?
Whatever's on that speedo there.
Whatever's on the speedo, 400 odd. I love that, the interior light looks like it's out of a Falcon.
Yeah, but it is original.
Yeah, that's amazing, isn't it? Like,
yeah, they did. They come out of the gears.
Yeah.
But that's the same. Actually, the door hinges and that are the same as the Falcons.
I've heard that. I know a guy that's into the, even the door lock, that looks like a Falcon door lock, doesn't it?
Yeah. The only thing, the door handle, that's actually Western Star.
Oh, okay.
See where it should have the key. But if you go to Bunnings, you can buy them little things that go in the end of blinds.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Mate, absolutely beautiful. We might have a look under the bonnet, eh?
With that stainless
Bonnet. Yeah, lift it.
So have you kept any sort of rough idea of hours you reckon you've put into it?
Oh, well, it took me 4.5 years to do it, 6 days a week.
A lot.
A lot. Yeah.
So a normal working week is 2,000 man hours a year.
Yeah, but I was getting a bit slack in the end.
Oh, was you?
I didn't start till 11, 12 o'clock and go home at
So you'd
4.
still have 5,000 or 6,000 in it then?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Right. That's your one of your lads there?
Yeah, that's my son.
Yep. And they're right into it too?
Yeah. Oh, he was a big part of it too.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome. So because I can read, it says Detroit, so Detroit Diesel.
Yeah.
So what sort of horsepower were these making?
Around 480.
What sort of rev range do you run them at?
Revs to 2,300, but I run it about around 1,800.
Yep. I've just been a car guy.
They're two-stroke, so they need to rev all the time. You know, keep the revs up.
The rev
They're
up.
like a motorbike. You know, they got. Yeah.
Well, mate, I absolutely love it. Credit
This
to
is
you.
actually a prototype. It's the only one, as far as I know, with that motor in it.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a cool thing.
It's a one-off.
Yep.
Yeah.
Very, very cool. Like most guys, you didn't really want to be on the camera, but we'll stick him on the camera anyhow because, mate, you've done a beautiful job.
No.
And appreciate giving us a bit of time to have a look at it.
No. Labour of love.